Hey guys, Dawn Beltrami from Walzel Properties, and it's freaking Friday. Showcase Home of the Week this week is located at 8409 Hempstead, Unit H. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 4-story home with city views. They are asking $449,000. It's 2,146 square feet, and they're having an open house this Saturday from 1 to 3. Come check it out. We're gonna walk this house and tell me what you think. So we're entering the second floor from the first floor, where there is a 1-bedroom ensuite, an entrance from the garage, nice size breakfast area that overlooks the dog park, tons of counter space, tons of cabinets. Love the bling and the backsplash, upscale lighting throughout. You have a balcony here, huge pantry area. Great open concept here on the second floor that's going to give you plenty of space and enjoy all of your guests. The half bath is on the landing between the second and third floor. You have your second bedroom here on the third floor. High ceilings, bathroom with tub shower, large closet area. Then there is the master here on the third floor. Again, high ceilings, large master, garden tub, double sinks, huge space, all tiled in, tons of room, huge shower area, a massive closet in the master, great build out for sure. Then on the fourth story, you have a large deck with city views. Look at those views at night. It's just going to be great. Huge area, great space to sit out here and enjoy the falls and springs of Houston. So hey guys, what do you think about this house? Gorgeous home, brand new, built in 2018. You need to come check it out this Saturday from 1 to 3. If you want to see any other houses that are having the open houses this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, we have a link below to all of those open houses. If you'd like any additional information on this house or any other house, please do not hesitate to contact me. My information will be at the end. Please join us next Friday for the next Showcase Home of the Week. Look forward to seeing you then.